Hong Kong is a small place, yet having rich ecological resources. Intertidal mudflats are one of the important habitats nurturing diverse flora and fauna. Intertidal mudflats are muddy substratum located at the boundaries between terrestrial and coastal environments. They are periodically inundated with seawater at high tide and exposed at low tide. Intertidal mudflats are highly productive habitats usually found in estuaries. Mudflats are developed on flat shores which are protected from direct wave action. Fine-grained sediment particles accumulate over time, forming a thick layer of mud. The surface mud is rich in nutrients, bacteria, and microscopic algae. Many organisms living on the mudflat are well adapted to the harsh environment, such as coping with low oxygen. Clams, snails, mud skipper, soldier crabs, and fiddle crabs are often seen foraging on the mudflat at low tide. Therefore, mudflats are valuable habitats as they play an important role as feeding and nursery grounds for many species. Hong Kong has a long coastline and has numerous intertidal mudflats. Deep Bay, located at the northwestern New Territories, has one of the famous mudflats of Hong Kong. It is a restricted area protected under the Wild Animals Protection Ordinance, Cap. 170. A large area of the mudflat is also designated as Ramsar Site. Situated downstream of the Pearl River estuary, the Deep Bay mudflat receives large inputs of fine-grained sediment and organic matter each year. It provides food to a wide variety of wildlife including mud skipper, fiddle crabs, and migratory waterbirds. Apart from the Deep Bay mudflat, intertidal mudflats are also found in Look Ken in Sha Tau Kok, Ting Kok in Tai Po, Starfish Bay in Ma On Shan, Kailing Ha Lo Wai in Sai Kung, Tai Tam on Hong Kong Island, Tung Chung Bay and Shui Hao on Lantau Island. Intertidal mudflats comprise of different ecological important habitats and support high diversity. For instance, mangroves serve as spawning and feeding grounds for prawns, crabs, and fish. Mangroves also protect coastlines and stabilize marine ecosystem by preventing soil erosion caused by water currents, strong waves, and severe weather conditions. To enhance public awareness on the ecological importance of intertidal mudflats and coastal habitats protection in Hong Kong, the Conservation of Biodiversity in Intertidal Mudflats project was launched by the Environmental Science Program's School of Science, the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology. Spanning across 1.5 years, this project was initiated by Environmental Campaign Committee, sponsored by Environment and Conservation Fund, and jointly supported by tertiary institutions and non-governmental organizations in co-organizing educational activities, such as seminars, field surveys, workshops, and exhibitions to all levels of students, teachers, elderly, and the general public.
參加完呢一個嘅項目之後啦，其實可以更加之認識得更多香港嘅唔同嘅生態環境啦，咁亦都認識咗呢一啲嘅方法，究竟點樣可以去保護我哋嘅環境，亦都去保育我哋嘅唔同嘅生物物種。
其實諗保育嘅時候，我哋好多時都會從人類嘅利益去着手，咁但係其實唔同嘅生態環境有佢嘅功用啦，同有佢嘅特色喺度嘅。咁保護唔同嘅生態環境啦，其實已經係對我哋香港呢個社會保留咗好重大嘅一個價值咯。
咁我覺得做泥灘嘅 ecological survey 好有趣啦，咁所以就藉住呢一個計劃咧，就等我有多啲嘅機會去香港唔同各地嘅泥灘嗰度做一啲 survey 啦，咁可以增加我一啲field trip 嘅知識咁樣嘅。
香港呢個地方真係好少人咧對泥灘或者對我哋自然環境有認識啦。咁我自己即係參加呢個計劃咧，就好想咧帶多啲人去認識呢個計劃，帶多啲人咧去認識泥灘呢樣嘢。咁我自己喺過程入邊最大嘅得着，其實就係識到一班一齊對泥灘都有共同熱誠嘅朋友，或者對環境都有共同熱誠嘅朋友啦。咁呢個係即係真係參加過程入邊最開心嘅一件事。
Through the project, we hope to provide resources and guidelines to students and the general public on how to appraise our nature and biodiversity in intertidal mudflats. We also hope to promote sustainable use of ecological resources, minimizing disturbance to the environment during visits, and reducing unsustainable clam and razor shells harvests. Intertidal mudflats not only serve as beautiful gardens for humans, but are homes to many ecological important species. We should appreciate the nature and conserve the high species diversity on intertidal mudflats. Only through learning to live with the nature can we build a sustainable relationship between humans, wildlife, and the natural environment. We hope all our project participants can share the valuable experience and spread the message of conserving the ecological important intertidal mudflats and the richness of the associated wildlife species. Please visit this website for more information about our project.